What are the advantages of embossed membrane switch's keypad? The switch keypad body is slightly embossed, slightly higher than the graphic overlay, forming a three-dimensional membrane switch called a three-dimensional keypad switch. The three-dimensional keypad can not only accurately specify the range of the key body, improve the recognition speed, makes the operator's sense of touch more sensitive, but also enhance the decorative effect of the product appearance. The production of the three-dimensional keypad must be done in the design stage of the panel arrangements with process holes in order to have precise positioning when the twos is pressed. The height of the three-dimensional embossed generally should not exceed twice the thickness of the substrate for the beautiful appearance of the product. The embossed raised membrane keypad can have many changes. More info visit www.jcftechnology.com.